Nowadays, every tech enthusiast wants to learn about fascinating embedded technology. PulsEvo Arduino Uno Beginner Student Kit is the best solution for beginners, students, hobbyists, developers, learners, artists, and teenagers to get expertise in this field. Various components are included in this kit to try out different projects. It includes all of the basic components like lid, DC motor, breadboard, jumper wire, easy LCD, transistor, 9G micro servo motor, and many more. The kit comes with an MDF board to put your sensors and Arduino board to it. It also included a detailed guide, software, and source code. Building some creative and simple projects is a great way to walk through coding and basic electronic circuits knowledge. It includes many activities, which will take you from knowing to utilizing robotics and electronics in the real world. This kit includes everything you need to get started with electronics using an Arduino and a lot of things that will take you from a beginner to an enthusiast.